Hey YouTube, welcome to another Why Dig This Tune. And we got a good one for you today. We're going to be checking out Box of Rain from the Grateful Dead's 1970 American Beauty. And it's the first track on the album, and it's a good one. Box of Rain was written by bassist Phil Lesh and lyricist Robert Hunter. And it's the first Dead tune, from what I'm aware, of, that features Lesh on lead vocals. And the song kind of draws from Americana, country, folk, American roots type music, which was common in a lot of Dead tunes, but was very prevalent in on those two albums released in 1970, American Beauty and Working Man's Dead. Yep. So that's today's tune, Box of Rain. Yeah, that's powerful lyrics to start off a tune. Look out of any window, any morning, any evening, any day. Maybe the sun is shining, birds are winging, or rain is falling on a heavy sky. Pretty heavy lyrics. According to lyricist Hunter, Lesh wanted a song to sing to his dying father, and Lesh practiced the song, driving to the nursing home where his father lay with terminal cancer. So it was a very, very personal song to bassist Phil Lesh, and very touching and moving. Yeah. And according to Hunter, what he meant by Box of Rain is he meant the world we live on, the earth. But a ball of rain didn't really fit with the tune or the lyrics. It didn't sound right. Didn't have the right ring in his ear, he said. So Box of Rain came to mind. Just a box of rain. I don't know who put it there. Now, there are a ton of lyrics in Box of Rain. We won't go through all of them, but just a couple verses, that stand out to me. Man, that's powerful. And it's just a box of rain or a ribbon for your hair. Such a long, long time to be gone and a short time to be there. Wow, powerful. It's a sentiment to Phil's dying dad, and what I'm taking from it. Such a long, long time, that we're, once we leave and go on to wherever we go, the other world, wherever it may be, the sky, the heavens, the air. It's just a long time that will be gone, and just a short time that will be there. know, that will be on the earth. And, you know, basically life's short, you know. We got to live it. So that's the tune today, Box of Rain by the Grateful Dead off American Beauty. To Dead fans, this is one of the all-time classics. And if you dig the content, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's why I dig Box of Rain. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.